How to fix Instagram's zoomed-in screen issue. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah, and today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to fix the zoomed-in screen issue on Instagram. This is a common problem, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, locate the Instagram app on your device. Press and hold the app icon until you see a menu pop up, then tap on App Info or App Details, depending on your phone. Once you're in the App Info section, you'll notice an option labeled Force Stop at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to completely stop the app from running in the background. This is like giving the app a quick reset. Now, tap on the Clear Data option, and from there, choose Clear Cache. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete your Instagram account or posts. It simply removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. After clearing the cache, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Sometimes, a poor Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can contribute to app glitches. For the final step, press and hold your phone's power button. Select Reboot or Restart from the menu that appears. This will refresh your device and ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it. Once your device restarts, open Instagram, and the zoomed-in screen issue should be resolved. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.